previous section, we learnt about the clock. Now, let us look at the clock and try to read the time. So here are the 3 clocks given. So let us look at the one by one picture of this clock and let's see the time. The first clock, here if you observe, the minute hand is at 2 and the hour hand is at 3. Here we already know, right? Between these 2 numbers there will be a 5 small lines. Since the minute hand is at 2, it is nothing but it is at 10 minutes. And the hour hand is at 3, so the time here is 3:10. In the second clock, the time here is 6:40 because the small hand is at 6 and the a bigger hand or a minute hand is at 8. In the third clock, the time is 11:50 where the small hand is at 11 and the minute hand is at 10. Now let us try to draw the minute hand and hour hand for a given time. So let me consider the given time is 2:10. No, let it be 2:20. So since the time given is 2:20, here the 2 represent the smaller hand or a hour hand and 20 represent the minute hand. So hour hand or small hand should be at 2 and the minute hand should be at 4. And the next time is 3:15. Now 3 represent the smaller hand and 15 represent the minute hand. So the smaller hand will be at 3 and the minute hand will be also at 3. Here the both hand will coincident. And then the next time is 6 o'clock. So here, since it is a 6 o'clock, the smaller hand will be at 6 and the minute hand will be at 12. So likewise, we can read the time if the given time is given like this. Now, let us try to read the time in different way. For example, look at this diagram or look at this clock. So if I want to read this clock, here this clock has a time which is about 10 hours 15 minutes. So here we already know about the fraction, right? So here this 10 hours 15 minutes can be written with the idea of fraction. How? Where the 15 minutes can be written as 1/4. So I'm going to get 10 into 1/4 hours. So this can be read as 10 1/4 hour. Next, let us look at this diagram. Here the time is 6:30. So once again, let us write the time in the fraction. 6 into 1/2. So which can be read as 6.5 hour. Next, look at this clock. Now the time is 4:45. So this 4:45 can be written as 4 into 3/4 and which can be read as 4 3/4 hour. Right? Yes, it's a quarter hour. So in the next class, let us learn how to express the time to their nearest hour.